Everyone sees the final campaign. The clean shots, the epic locations. What you don't see is what it actually takes to get them.
Definitely not easy shooting conditions.
On this episode of Type 2 Fun, we will be showing something a bit different. Huckberry came to Kauai to shoot the relaunch of Proof. And there are no shortcuts out here. Real hikes, real sweat, real fun.
And we can't film that.
We're doing the actual activities that earn the shots. This is how it really gets made. I'm Ben Ono, a photographer and filmmaker based on the North Shore of Hawaii. A few years back, I ditched the desk job to chase adventure full time, and it's taken me across the world. I've joined Huckberry on some of their wildest trips.
High five.
The kind that take you right to the edge. Now, I'm stepping in front of camera to push myself further and learn from friends along the way.
Oh yeah.
Welcome to Type 2 Fun. This is Kauai, the Garden Isle, one of the oldest of the Hawaiian Islands. Raw, unpredictable, and exactly where we wanted to bring the Proof campaign to life. This isn't a solo mission though. We've got a solid crew behind this. Morning, boss.
What's up, dude?
We're getting everyone's face right out of bed.
Sick. I love that. Everyone else has got up and told us the meaning of life. Your turn. Just spewing. No pressure. Yeah. No coffee.
It's like 6 a.m. face.
It's not bad, honestly. I was up at 5 and the 5 a.m. face was way worse.
The multiverse has collided. You guys know who this is. No introduction needed. It's Scout Day. Plan simple, divide and conquer. But first, in true Huckberry fashion, we start the day with a little movement. Talon is surfing, the camera crew's out for a run. The stoke is real, we're loading up. About to go for a surf. Alex is pumped, I'm pumped. Alrighty, gang's all waxed up. Sunscreen's on, Josh is ready to go.
Protected. We're very happy. It was really fun. Like 5 guys out. We got the changeover, the little crossover, the lunch crowd. We're just going in to get their lunch. We came out just pumping little waves, just for the boys.
We're freaking excited and hungry.
Because that's like the river that empties out into Honolulu.
Not too bad, huh?
Not too bad, man. Great start to the scout morning.
Yeah, what did you get up to?
Went for a little run, like 4 miles down, and it's literally perfect for our workout scene. So I think we locked in that spot. It's a beautiful day out. I got a little exercise and big scouting day ahead of us. So we're gonna kind of check off most of the locations we'll be shooting at.
So Proof and formerly Wellen are now merging as one brand. Best characteristics of both of those brands respectively, and kind of putting it into one ultimate adventure, active outdoor brand for Huckberry.
First scout location. That's not too bad. What's your hero shot? What are we blocking out here?
Hero shot? I mean, the cliff band just down the coast this way. With that in the background, I think that's gonna do it for us.
All right, that's Scout Day. Alex and John are locking in the beach for the cookout scene. Time to head back to the Airbnb, rest, and get ready for the first day of shooting. Good morning. It is day one, huh? Day one of shoot. We're heading out on the hike. Got Vicky, fearless stylist here. Got us all dressed up, we're proofed up, ready to go. We're kicking off with Hanakapiai Falls, about an 8-mile round trip hike. There's no shortcut to the falls. If you want it, you do it. And that's what makes it good. The whole team's stepping up, carrying gear, moving together, earning the shot. Taking notes from the master here.
Just kind of pause for a second.
Sure. Show us how it's done.
Ready?
Couple first shots out of the way. Whole crew is here. We're gonna go hike that. We're gonna hit our first river crossing now. You ready to take these cameras across? It's getting a little tight too for the crew. This is what goes down in a Huckberry shoot. We're wet now. Real teamwork. Oh! We made it. Producer made it. Absolutely stunning. Got the Alexes up there, leading the way. Rest of the crew's shortly behind us. Really excited to get to this waterfall. Wow! Oh! Where are we, Mr. Rosen?
We are on the Kauai coast at a giant waterfall, taking it in. Magical place.
Whole crew's here. All made it to the falls. About to hop into a second look and keep shooting for a bit. Yeah. Oh, doggy. Waking up, we're a little bit sore, but that means we had a great time yesterday, which we did.
Yeah.
We're gonna head out on our second day of shooting. First up, golf. All right. Good morning.
Let's grab a.
I'm method acting right now.
Yeah.
What's the guy that's
They'd
always,
know. The
that
images
plays,
they'd
that
know.
plays golf and he's always drunk?
Yeah, the big
guy?
John Daly.
John Daly. He's
Yeah.
like barefoot and wasted and wins thing.
That's good there. Okay.
We are ripping through the first scene of the day. We just finished out on the putting green, and now we're gonna go hit one more shot, and then we're gonna head off to our next location. Pretty. We should just stripe some balls right here. There we go. All right.
Oh, my G. Oh! Shoes on. Oh. Whoa. Son. That's good.
Solid morning on the links. Not a bad way to start a shoot day. The crew's hungry, and we head to Honolulu Bay for lunch. On the menu, poke bowls and a dip in the ocean. Boys just got off lunch break. We're about to take a little dip before we head to the next scene. Life is fantastic. I'm gonna be testing out the fresh water. And it wouldn't be a proof shoot without a workout scene. Time to work off those poke bowls and get a little sweat in.
Can you go arm up? Yeah. There you go.
That's how you do it. That concludes our
Workout of the day.
With another full day in the books, the crew retires into the sunset, preparing for the final day. All right, day 3, absolutely beautiful day. Crew is loading up. We got Captain Koa here.
What's up?
It's gonna take us to the spot.
Big vibes, big vibes.
For the final day, we make our way out to the Nepali coast. It's late winter though, and the ocean still has some energy. Around 4-foot Hawaiian swells, enough to keep the boat moving and not the easiest shooting conditions.
Not a bad backdrop for a photo shoot.
All right, first shots are in the bag. Team is crushing it. Absolutely beautiful day out here on the Nepali coast of Kauai.
Chuck, you go.
That was an epic morning.
Yeah.
We were up at, God, 3:45.
On the boat, you're rocking. It's not easy shooting conditions, to say the least.
Pretty nauseous.
When you guys see the pictures from this campaign, just know that there was a lot of tension behind them.
There was a lot of tension. Yeah, I was keeping it together. Day 3, almost end of day 3.
Yes.
And I think we saved the best for last.
All right, guys. We're at the final scene of the day. We're doing a little cookout scene. So, as you can see, this is our set. We got the masters at work here. We're shooting some detail shots with Alex Souza.
Don't show how the sausage is made, mate.
Yeah. No. And over here, of course, the man stoking the fire, Mr. Rosen. And we're gonna get cooking underway. Last scene of the shoot.
And then it's wrap party. And we can't film that.
We've saved the best for last, beach cookout. After a long day on the water, the crew is starving. Chef Josh Rosen is running things tonight, and he's got me on poke duty. We start with fresh aku, cubed up, dressed with shoyu, sesame oil, green onion, Hawaiian sea salt, and inamona, roasted kukui nut. Meanwhile, Josh and Alex have the grill going, menpachi and aku steaks over the fire.
Two guys and a place in fish. It's gonna be a delicious dish.
Yeah. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous.
All right, guys. We have successfully made poke, menpachi, ahi steaks. We're on the beach. The whole crew is here, ending with a feast in Huckberry fashion. That is the Proof 2026 campaign. Thank you for joining in. Until next time, we'll see you out there.
See you out there.
It really takes a solid crew to pull off a campaign like this. Long days, laughing when things go sideways, and finding beauty in the middle of all that chaos. It's type 2 fun. In the moment, it's not easy. But looking back, that's what makes these images so special.